In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating EPUB files using the Recovery Tools EPUB Migrator. To install our EPUB migration tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder or folders containing the EPUB files you wish to convert, and then click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PDF, HTML, EML, MSG, PST, and many others. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. The Save Converted Messages in Same Source Folder option will save the converted messages to the same folder from where the EPUB files were selected. Check or uncheck it accordingly. This tool provides user with a setting option when converting EPUB files to an email format like EML, MSG, PST, and more. From Email Address option refers to the email address of the sender or the address that appears in the From field when an email is sent. Let's select the PDF option for this tutorial. After selecting the saving option, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted EPUB files using the BitRecover EPUB Converter Wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.